That's the maestro, maestro, maestro.
Let's start removing the transmission on this boy S10. Started by removing the exhaust pipe, and then I'm going back and move the cross member and all that, and start to pull the drive shaft down. Get this transmission out of here. Should have the other one in tomorrow. Go get all the gaskets, replace all the gaskets. The rear seal, I'm gonna replace the rear seal, the front seal. We're gonna change the oil on this truck and get this baby up and going. The reverse stopped, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace the transmission, put a new module in it, replace the fuel filter over there. So it's my boy little truck, man. We're gonna get it going for him. All right, man. Tune in. Come back, Chevy S10, and a transmission removal, AC compressor, flywheel, starter. Alright, so you got your brand new AC compressor. It's a little 4-cylinder. AC getting cold in there. Got the new tranny in it. It's ready to go, man. K&Js. You see it? It's the old transmission. Just in case y'all don't believe me. It's the old transmission. 2001 Chevy S10 transmission removal. It's brand new AC compressor. See it? Cold. Wet. Cold. Brand new starter. I can't show that to y'all. It's under the car. Yeah, K&Js.